And we're back on the saddle, guys. You know what today is? Let us know in the comment section down below if you guys want Alex to be in the unboxing videos. Let's see what we got inside. And we're back on the saddle, guys. You know what today is? Neither do I. So let's ask Google. Hey Google, what's today?
It's Friday, September 22nd, 2023.
Okay, so there you go. That's today's date. And we got ourselves a nice little package that came in the mail. What could it be? Let me know in the comment section down below. Let's get this open. Let's get it checked out. Let's see what we got inside. Without further ado, let's see what we got inside right here. Oh, don't cut towards yourself. Everyone down below, always cut away from yourself, never cut towards yourself. Safety is #1 priority. Oh, don't look at this, bro. That's my personal information. All right, that's the dead giveaway of what we got. So let's see what we got inside this packaging here. We got ourselves a nice little bubble wrap. What the heck is this? For those Spanish speakers out there, holla, comencemos. Just kidding, bro. I don't read Spanish like that, bro. I know how to read Spanish. I went to a Spanish school. This is how you read Spanish. Hello, let's get started. Oh, sheesh. What do we got here? We got the USB-C 20 power adapter from Apple. Oh, brother, dude, I'm over here breaking it. And then, what's this white box for? Let's see. Sheesh. Looks like that's the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Dang, got it giving me all broken and ripped. What the heck, man? Sheesh, well, this is what it is. iPhone 15 Pro. What the? Bro, this should be the Pro Max. Nah, they don't F me up. What? Concerning. Well, we'll just have to see when we open it up even more. You have to get the strip. Well, we gotta cover. They can't let you see the IMEIs. You guys gotta steal my information. Alright, how do you open this? Oh, duh. There's a tab here. You gotta pull and rip it open. That wasn't that satisfying. How about this one? Oh, it was a little bit more satisfying. So, alright, let's see what's inside. Why is this stuck? Sheesh. So this is the iPhone 15 Pro. Oh, dang. Unboxing here. So as you can see, I'm guessing this is probably the sticker. So you got your Apple logo, comes in the box. You got your Type-C to C charging link because that's like the new thing now. And then you got the actual phone itself. I got it in the blue titanium. As you can see here, that's a pretty cool finish, honestly. That's pretty sleek. And then they got rid of the little lock button, the little notch. Now they actually turn into a physical button. And then that's the Type-C port. So let's open it up and look at it. Dang, so let's turn it on. It might be dead. Is it dead, bro? Oh, nope, it's alive. It's alive. Well, we'll cut back when it's ready to roll. Hello. How's it going? All Alright, so we got our loading screen that tells you hello in all different kinds of languages here. That one says konnichiwa. That was in Japanese. I could read that one. That's holla. Bonjour. Did it turn off? Oh, it turned off. Rip. Alright, so swipe it to open. Pick the English. Region is in United States. Dang, everyone's gonna know where I live at. Alright. So that's the appearance. You're gonna choose the text size is normal, default it, because I'm not blind. I don't need extra large. Dang. Yeah, I need to do this quick start to set up with my actual phone that I have in my hand, and then we can get that going. I just want to get it to the home screen so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, the packaging itself, as you see, it's pretty minimal. That's like Apple's thing, is they're trying to limit their packaging. Alright, sorry about that. My phone overheated, so now the cellular setup is complete. And I'm gonna have to blur out that number because I guess that's my new number. But they gave me the wrong one, guys. I ordered the Pro Max and this is just the Pro. But anyways, we'll continue on with the session. And so we'll update later just so I can get through this and just show you what the home screen kind of looks like. And then, yeah, so we're just gonna skip through these prompts. Alright, so it's signing me in right now, and I'll let it do its thing. So with that little signing in screen, looks pretty interesting. And you got your little emoji thing going on. And yeah, let's get this dialed in, because yeah, they did send me the wrong one. I ordered the Pro Max, and this is just the Pro. So I'll have to, after I do this, I'll have to go to Verizon and give him a scolding. Oh no, continue. See, now you got the new action button, which is on this side here. Instead of your silencer, you can use it and program it to do other things. So finally we got to the home screen. We're getting to the home screen. And there you go. That's what the home screen looks like. And that's Verizon telling me what the heck. So this is the home screen and all the stock everything. This is what it looks like demoed out. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I gotta get this all set up, and then I actually need to talk to Verizon first because I got the wrong phone. Gotta get the Pro Max. This is just a Pro, but pretty much the same thing. The difference is it's bigger, obviously. And then, yeah, I'm gonna get the same color, which is the blue titanium, as you can see here. And then the size that I ordered is a 1 terabyte, so it's their biggest version that they have. So this is the 1 terabyte as well for the 15 Pro. And yeah, so this is the iPhone 15 Pro blue titanium, 1 terabyte. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys, and sorry for the wrong unboxing, I guess. Thanks for tuning in, guys, but I gotta go talk to Verizon and get this all figured out and get the right phone. Once again, this is the iPhone 15 Pro blue titanium, 1 terabyte. Thanks for tuning in. But you know what time it is. It's time to what's up, Kyle? It's time to dip potato chip, and we'll see you at the next rodeo. And we're back in the action. We're back on the saddle, guys. Is that what it was? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And we're back on the saddle, guys. You know what today is? Neither do I. Let's ask Google. Hey Google, what's today?
It's Friday, September 22nd, 2023. And by the way, if you're ever feeling curious about other ways I can help, just ask, what can you do?
Well, now we're good. We're chilling. Thanks, Google. All right, that was a little weird. We gotta try that again. Google be acting weird. Ooh, that was pretty satisfying. Let me hold on. That was, oh snaps. This is from Alex right here. What's up, Alex? Alex in the background. Okay, he's just gonna awkwardly walk around. He's looking at me. What's up, bro? Man, we got what the? This fool over here eating chips, effing up my ASMR unboxing parts. Hi, bro.
What?
I'm trying to ASMR this.
Okay.
You over there with your chips that out. Oh my God. Oh, brother. I swear, if you make a mess, you're gonna vacuum, bro. Dude, you're freaking dropping little crumbs everywhere. Here, look. That's me. Hi, guys. Okay, and then that's definitely me. What's up, guys? Hi. And just a heads up, guys, the 20-watt power adapter is not included in the unboxing. So when you actually buy the phone, all you literally get is the power cord. You don't actually get an adapter. You have to buy that separately. And I got that for $15. It was on sale. Usually it's 20. It was on sale for 15. But yeah, you have to buy this power adapter separately. The brick is not included. So whenever you buy your phone from Apple, this is what you get. The phone, the cable, and a nice little sticker. Yeah. All right. See you guys.